My name is Edna.
And my name is Clara.
And we are a family of 6 and 2 dogs. We lived in this home for 12 years and we decided we really needed a major renovation. The house was just very old style in that all the rooms were separated from each other. The kitchen was very tiny and our eating area and our dining room ended up we only ended up using one space, and so the eating area for the kitchen was left pretty much useless, a waste of space. So we hired Sosna. We'd heard really great reviews from them. We had friends who had used them. And we worked with Olga and Andre and Leo, and Olga put together a beautiful floor plan for us. Just everything that we wanted. We talked about our lifestyle and how we wanted to move in the house, and everything that we'd wanted, she incorporated into the plan.
Yeah, just a floor plan that really worked for us and our needs.
She really knew what materials to use, what style that we wanted. We were very impressed with the whole team.
Yeah, it was a really great experience.
So every morning, Leo was here at 7, even before 7. When they said they would be here on the schedule, they were here. If there were any changes, they let us know well in advance. I like the process with Sosna that you do a lot of the planning before you actually agree on the final quote with Andre. So all those details of that you might come up later with other contractors, you've already picked those things before. And so when you sit down with Andre, he's itemized everything for you. Everything comes to one final amount. And when you agree on that, that's the price that you pay. Now we're very happy with our home.
Yeah, we love our new home, and it's just a really great space to host guests and have family over. Yeah, we're really happy.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Sosna. Really, we feel like our lives have been transformed in quite a meaningful way. So yeah. Thank you from the Benzikin family.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Sosna, from our family to yours.
Yeah,
thank you very
you.
much. We appreciate it.